Hello and welcome to Fiona's Creative Canvas. I'm Fiona and today I have a split cup. So I haven't used one of these before. I'm going to be going with these colours along here and let's get started. So this is a 14 by 14 inch canvas and I've put it on top of a spinner just because I want to do a straight pour and I want to wander it basically. Now I've been having trouble trying to decide what order to do my colours in. I've got a white here, an Aztec Gold by Arteza. This one is a mixture of pewter and this one's called steel blue, that's a pigment. And then I've got turquoise, and this is a mix of Prussian blue and phthalo blue. So I was thinking maybe this order. I didn't really want my white on the outside. I mean, I could swap it, but then I'm missing my gold on the outside. I don't know how it works when I pour it out. Because I've got two metallics. I didn't want them next to each other. Maybe we'll go this way. Yeah, let's do that. Get the bright color in the middle. Now I've got extra of this for putting around the outside later. I made a big mess when I was mixing this because I'm running out of some of my colours. So and I've made these quite thick. I don't actually know how much this split cup holds. So I've kind of made, these are 100 and something mil cups, that's probably about 50 mils of colour. So let's see if I got it about right. Looks like I did. Thinking it would be about 50 mils each. I was thinking maybe it's a 250 mil cup. Oh no, I just dropped that in the bottom there of my white. Can't have that. Okay, this is my turquoise. Some white. This is Montmartre white. So I've made this a thicker consistency because I want some nice crisp lines. I've been watching some of the best person I think I've found that does split cups, and you can correct me if I'm wrong, but is Fiona Art. So it's the gold, Aztec Gold. So it's kind of a bronzy gold. All right, that looks like a really pretty split cup. I think I might just add a little bit more of the like a pewtery steel blue color. And I'm definitely going to probably be putting some of that around the outside. I'd like a little bit of negative space if I can. And I noticed Fiona Art starts in sort of towards a corner and then goes around. So that's kind of my idea, but I would like some like Prussian blue negative space, which I might add after I've done the pour part. Oh, this is exciting. I always get excited about this part, especially when I've never done something before. So I'm going to do a straight pour, not a ring pour, so just pouring straight down. This is, see how squishy this is? This is a silicone split cup, so it's a little bit awkward to hold. Oh, I hope there's no bumps in there. I've got to be patient here. Might have started too close to the edge. Maybe I need to go higher up. I really wasn't expecting the gold in the middle like it's doing. This is interesting. Very different pattern. Okay. I'm wondering if I should put some steel blue around here. But I want lots of blue up here and do blue down there. Right, I'm going to try tilting it. I hope I've got enough paint on there. I'm going to take it down to this corner. You know what? I'm going to get a little bit of a box. I haven't got a lot of paint, so and then I wish I had more of the blue. I can see something in there. Where's my tweezers? Okay. Would really like to keep some of this blue on there, but we'll see. Maybe I will be using the spinner. I don't think I will be using the spinner. just checking my composition. I think I'm pretty happy with that. It's very different, not what I was expecting, but I like it. I like the bit of dark blue in the corners. It's what I wanted. I'm going to blow with the torch. I can see some dots here and there. Quite a few actually. This gold through here is going to look gorgeous. So I can see like different lines in that gold. I like this. I like that through there. I like these sort of little, be careful, I don't drip on it. I'm curious to see how the steel grey goes. Beautiful. We've got the steel grey going through here with a blend. When did that happen? Oh, how did that happen? Where is my paint picker? Right, I'm going to use this first to make it smaller. I'm slowly learning how to deal with these things. Just squeeze the paint out of that. Might have another go. And then I'm just going to get a stick. Pointy end and just readjust a bit, and that looks fine. Now I decided before I bring you in that I have enough left, and I've scraped all the rest into here to do a tile. A coaster might be nice to go with it. So yeah, I can turn that like that. That could be cool. Let's give it a whirl. That'll look nice with a bit of resin on it. Okay, here is the wet result. I've got some really interesting patterns that I wasn't expecting. Sort of, I don't know if that's the Montmartre paint mixing in. It's created sort of, not quite pearls, but or clouds, but a little bit similar. Yeah, that's interesting. So I'm not exactly sure. I think it might be the white creating it. But yeah, I need practice on how to pour it out, because this is probably my center here. And this is going straight up and down, but that's fine. I like the couple of dark corners, like I said. And this is just really interesting through here. I like that. I'm looking forward to seeing the shine on this one. I love the colours up through here too, these stripes through here. Yeah. So I had a bit left over and I made a little tile, but I've ended up, the gold came out, these three colours came out first, and have left a big mark in the middle. But yeah, it's pretty cool. It matches. So that's interesting. That could be a cool idea. Painting and coasters to match. So I had that one taped up ready to go. So I might have to do that so that when I've got too much left I can make a mini version. Okie dokie. I will bring you back when it's dry. Okay, here is the dry result. And you'll have to excuse my hands because I've been painting. But I'll show you this shine through the gold. The patterns are really pretty. And look at this down here. It's pretty cool. And up that corner and through here, it's probably my favourite bits. And then I have this little tile, which will get a coat of resin. Yeah. So that's it for that one. I hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you liked it. And I shall see you all in the next one. Bye.